Why does it care? Oh, because I'm stating that db may be used multiple times. Huh? Trying to use linear name P in nonlinear context. P is not linear. The fuck are you talking about? What? Mismatch between linear and unrestricted. What the fuck do you think is going on here? Trying to use a linear name in a nonlinear context. Okay. Trying to use linear name P in nonlinear context. The thing is, I don't agree. Alright, let's try and do this properly. Like, rather than trying to break it, we'll see if we can make it work first. Okay, so I just want to... This isn't gonna work. Yeah, that should fail. Is there a way to print the database? Is that even possible? Like, okay, let's say L, and I want this to be unrestricted. Can I go P is get name DB and then use P here? Is that legal? So you can't unify a string. Yeah, just go pure. I'll allow it. So you can't unify DB and LIOB. Where? Here. Sure. Trying to use linear name in a nonlinear context. There are two uses of linear name DB. Ho ho ho! How about you go fuck yourself? Is this even possible? Because DB is linear, but I want to be able to extract something that is unlimited, that is unrestricted from it. Maybe, yeah, maybe I can do this. Is this right? Is that allowed? No. Trying to use linear name DB in a nonlinear context. Yeah, sure. No chance it's going to be able to unify that. I don't know if there's any way to write this function. When unifying LIO, LIODB. Mismatch between LIODB and DB. What? Oh, it's talking about something else. It's talking about down here. When processing the right-hand side of main, you can't unify LIODB and Just the second one? No, not just the second one. Dear God, this is a mess. I'm clearly misunderstanding something fairly fundamental here. I might have to just take some time to read the paper again. I feel like a first year computer science student who's just learnt C and is just adding asterisks to all my pointer types until it works, which is definitely not the way to go about it. I'm very skeptical of this type. This does not feel right at all. I don't know how to have a return type where one side is unrestricted but the other side is restricted. And this, I think, has to happen. Like, okay. I guess here's the thing. This doesn't strictly have to happen in OpenDB, right? This is the only reason I need this to be in the IO monad. So if I had something like new DB, which takes in a string and a string and returned either a DB error or I don't think there's any particular reason for this to be in the IO monad, other than the fact that it's easy. It's like IO refs. Like you can hoist it into the function. Oh, well, you can hoist it into ST to get an ST ref. I don't know. We might redo this next time. I'm just gonna see if this type checks. Path cards equals case pass cards cards is path allowed of left E. This is either pass error actually. Left pass error. Right of C, make DB, pure one, make DB on path and cards. And then this even this type feels kind of ugly. But then this can be new DB path D. you can't unify DB error and type